Hello, grade 4 learners. My name is Teacher L and welcome to our science class, Quarter 1, Week 2, Importance and Impact of Inventions on Everyday Life. So today we're going to explore the amazing world of inventions, special creations made by people to make life easier, faster, safer, and more fun. Our lesson is based on this competency. Use information from home or the local community to identify a scientific invention and explain its impact on their everyday life. So by the end of this lesson, you are expected to classify some of the inventions in terms of the areas of human life this has improved or helped. Now, let us try to unlock some words you'll encounter today. Choose from the list below the words described. If it is health, agriculture, transportation, household, entertainment, education, or communication. Okay, let's start. Number 1. It is the movement of people and goods from place to place. The correct answer is transportation. Number 2. It is the gathering of information about the world and oneself. Education. Number 3. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. The answer is health. 4. It includes both growing and harvesting crops and raising animals or livestock. The correct answer is agriculture. 5. It is when people exchange various forms of meaning, such as ideas and information, through a common system of symbols. The correct answer is communication. 6. It is a form of activity that holds the attention and interest of an audience or gives pleasure and delight. The correct answer is entertainment. 7. It refers to a family or group of people living together. The correct answer is household. Remember this as we explore inventions: transportation, education, health, agriculture, communication, entertainment, and household. This time, let's go to your worksheet activity number 3. Let us identify the benefits derived from the use of inventions and how this has helped people in different areas of life. Inventions, we have here laptop, projector, television, and phonograph. These inventions are used in education, communication, and entertainment. The laptop is a powerful tool for learning and working. The projector helps teachers explain lessons better. The television and phonograph are great for entertainment and information sharing. Inventions, we have plane, steamboat, jeepney. These inventions changed the way we travel. The plane lets us go to faraway places. The steamboat improved water travel. And the jeepney is an important part of public transport in the Philippines. So the area of human life that improves is transportation. Inventions, banana ketchup, patis, and soyalak. These are food products made from local ingredients. Banana ketchup and patis are tasty and useful in cooking. Soyalak is a healthy milk alternative that helps children get proper nutrition. So in these inventions, the area of life improved is agriculture, household, and health nutrition. Inventions: refrigerator, light bulb, vase built, modular housing, electronic door opener. So these inventions help us in our homes and daily living. The refrigerator keeps food fresh. The light bulb helps us study and work even at night. Vase built makes building homes faster. And the electronic door opener adds convenience and safety. So again, the area of life improved: household, education, housing, and construction. Inventions: erythromycin, electronic mosquito repellent, 3-in-1 fire truck. These inventions help us stay safe and healthy. Erythromycin treats infections. The electronic mosquito repellent keeps us safe from mosquito-borne diseases. The Patriot fire truck saves lives during emergencies. Okay, class, remember that inventions improve many parts of our lives. How we learn, travel, eat, live, and stay healthy. So example of invention, we have here a cell phone. So before this invention, we used telegrams or letters to talk to others. Then after the invention, we can now send messages and instantly. So the area of human life improved is communication. So each invention solves a problem and makes life easier and better for everyone. Let's wrap up with what we learned today. What did we discover? Okay, that many inventions were made to help us, whether in transportation, health, agriculture, communication, entertainment, or at home. And classifying inventions help us understand how science improves our lives. Well done, class. You are becoming real-life scientists by observing the world and understanding how inventions shape our daily life. Don't forget, inventions are more than just cool stuff. They solve problems and make life better. See you next time.